Welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC. Now this is the same as the Bullets Wireless Z2, but of course with active noise cancellation as an added feature. Let me just open up the box and I'll show you what's in it. You can of course see the earphones right here. This is a neckband style headset with in-ear earpieces attached to the neckband with short wires connecting the entire device. Now I'll just take a look inside the box and see what else we find in the sales package, of course. There's just a handful of things. There is some documentation. There is the Red Cable Club card, which is a benefits sort of program for OnePlus, and there is the charging cable. It's a short charging cable with a USB Type A port on one side and a Type C port on the other side. It's a fairly simple package, of course, and you can see that this is pretty much everything that you can get in the box of the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC. Taking a bit of a closer look at the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC, you can see that the design is practically the same as the original Bullets Wireless Z2. Active noise cancellation is just an added feature here, but that doesn't really have much to do with the design. You'll be able to see that on the neckband there are physical controls for things such as volume and playback. And apart from that, there is a OnePlus logo just on the other side of the neckband of the headset. And there is also, of course, a USB Type C port for charging. Now the earpieces link together magnetically when not in use, and this is also the power switch for the headset. So when the earpieces are magnetically connected together, the headset will switch off, and when you separate the earpieces, the headset will turn on. Of course, we are going to go into a little bit more detail on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z2 ANC. So stay tuned for our full review, which will be coming up on gadgets360.com really soon.